Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickUp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your ClickUp Workspace? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to ClickUp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to manage your different tasks or appointments, and by linking your Google Calendar with your ClickUp, they can share information. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickUp account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickUp account. Now, in order to link your Google Calendar, first you need to choose the correct workspace up here on the top left. Just click on the downward arrow, and then you're going to see all of the workspaces you have in ClickUp. You can see I just have these two. Once you've chosen the correct workspace, you want to go ahead and click on the settings button. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you just want to scroll down until you see calendar. All right, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the calendar functions, and you want to choose Google Calendar. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this purple button right here called Connect. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and choose the Google Calendar that you would like to share with your ClickUp. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, now they let you know that by continuing, you're going to share this information with ClickUp. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, now they're warning me from Google, letting me know that ClickUp will be able to see, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars in my account. If you're okay with that, scroll down and click on Continue. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my Google Calendar is now linked and connected to my ClickUp account. You can see connected right here. So now they can share information between the two different calendars on my ClickUp and my Google Calendar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect or link your Google Calendar to your ClickUp Workspace, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.